Today we're going to review possessive nouns. A possessive noun shows ownership. Add an apostrophe and s to a singular noun to make it a possessive noun. Add just an apostrophe to a plural noun that ends in s to make it a possessive noun. Let's look at these examples. A bird's nest rests on the branch. Bird is a singular noun, so we add an apostrophe s to make it possessive. Some birds' nests rest on the branches. Birds is a plural noun. We add just an apostrophe at the end to make it a possessive noun. Let's look at another example. The cat's tail flickers back and forth. Cat is a singular noun. We add an apostrophe s to make it a possessive noun. Many cats' tails flicker back and forth. Cats is a plural noun. We add just an apostrophe at the end of the word to make it a possessive noun.